Hey everybody, and welcome to another Harry Viral video tutorial. In this video I will show you how can we change negative number into positive in Excel. So before we begin, please hit this subscribe button and turn the bell notification. So let's get started. So here is our name and amount. So in this case there is negative number also and positive number also. So here we need only a positive, and we will convert this negative amount into positive. So for that there is small formula, it's called AVS. So you will be typing here AVS and bracket and select the field, and we'll close this bracket and click enter. So after this we will be dragging this in, and we can see the changes, and it changes the negative amount into positive. So we can check here also. If we keep here, then also it will not change because it is converted into positive. So in this way we can change this negative number into positive. So by using this formula we can use. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.